One pot of soup cost 70 real marriage proposals. This Marry Me Chicken is the most powerful social hack in food history. With hundreds of millions of hits, people believe this bowl can force a life-altering decision. Even Prince Harry allegedly proposed over this exact bird. Does a specific chemical in sun-dried tomatoes actually manipulate the human brain? Or is it just viral magic? This modern magic actually has deep roots in ancient medicine. Long before the hype, healing soups simmered beneath medieval rooftops. Chicken soup was the penicillin of the Middle Ages, crafted solely to sustain the sick. But today's craze transitioned from the pharmacy to the photo studio. It was an accident at the media brand Delish, where a producer tasted a test dish and blurted, "I'd marry you for that." Now it is a global sensation. But beware, if the meal fails, the internet has a spicy rival waiting: divorced chicken. The transition from a simple healing broth to a matrimonial tool started as a strange corporate experiment back in 1982. It wasn't born in a kitchen, but in a high-rise office. An editor at Glamour magazine gave a lemon chicken recipe to an assistant. Soon after, she got engaged. When the next 3 women who cooked it also received proposals, they realized they had a documented 100% success rate. They named it engagement chicken, and the legend was born. For decades, this was a traditional, time-consuming roast, a labor of love and patience. But as the pace of life accelerated, Generation C and Millennials didn't have 3 hours to roast the bird. They wanted the magic without the wait. In 2016, the internet redesigned the DNA of the dish to fit a faster, more chaotic world. They stripped it down to a skillet meal, infused it with heavy cream and Sicilian aromatics, and made it far more addictive. This led directly to the soup, the final evolution of this romantic folklore. It is a 30-minute speed run using rotisserie chicken to trick the human brain into thinking you spent an entire day slaving over a stove. It's the ultimate kitchen shortcut for the modern romantic. Scientists suggest the vibrant red of the sun-dried tomatoes against the white cream creates a scroll-stopping visual trigger. This contrast isn't accidental. It is perfectly engineered for the social media algorithm, hitting our eyes before it ever hits our tongue. On a famous platform, users claim the savory umami is so high they wanted to marry themselves after the first spoonful. The contradiction, however, remains obvious. A bowl of soup cannot buy a diamond ring, no matter how delicious. Even the editors who invented the viral version admit the proposals happened because the couples were already deeply in love. The soup was just a catalyst, the final push toward a foregone conclusion. But the numbers do not lie. Sales of sun-dried tomatoes spike globally every time this story goes viral. People are buying these ingredients like they are buying a lottery ticket for their future. It is a placebo you can eat, a physical manifestation of hope. We are obsessed with the idea that we can control our partners with nothing more than a ladle. We are looking for a biological shortcut to a yes, using flavor as our primary weapon. So, you're not just making dinner tonight. You are testing a 40-year-old myth to see if the chemistry of fats and acids can actually change your relationship status. It is the ultimate culinary gamble, A high-stakes meal served in a simple ceramic bowl. Follow the story, not just the recipe. More dishes are waiting.